If you've been trying to lose fat and nothing is working, this video will change everything. Because I'm about to expose the one mistake almost everybody is making and is probably the reason why you can't lose fat. This isn't about eating less, doing more cardio, or your willpower. It is much deeper than that. You could be in a calorie deficit, training hard, eating clean, but if you're making this one mistake, none of it matters. It's the hidden killer of progress. Inconsistency disguised as effort. Most people think they're doing everything right until you track their habit. One week they're on point. The next week they kinda follow the plan, but they don't care as much. And next thing you know, that 200 calorie snack turns into 700 calories. That one rest day turns into 3 rest days. The body doesn't reward intention, okay? It only responds to consistency. If you're 80% on and 20% off, you're not in a deficit. You're more so maintaining, maybe even in a surplus, depending on how crazy you go. But here's the truth that nobody wants to admit. You're not in a fat loss phase unless your habits meet your goals every single day. And if you're constantly restarting every Monday, blaming slow metabolism, saying 2,000 calories is way too low, you're avoiding the real problem, okay? Which is accountability. You're not taking accountability. So how do you fix it? Start tracking everything. Food, steps, sleep, stress. Eliminate the guessing. You have to get radically honest about your effort because clarity creates momentum. Once you actually get real with yourself, fat loss becomes simple. Not easy, but simple. You're not broken, you're just inconsistent. That is your problem. If you're ready to finally stop half-assing and finally see results, subscribe to my channel and comment locked in so I know that you're serious. I believe in each and every single one of you. I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.